Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you what is in my art bag. I have just got back from, well, not just, but I've been to workshops and I've been to the plein air convention. And when we went out and did plein air painting, I took this. I tried at one point to take an easel and, set up and everything. And I did for pastel, but for the most part, I took this bag. Now, this is a bag that I got from Earthbound. It's just a purse, and I liked it. I thought it was, it's heavy canvas. It was 20 bucks. So it had a lot of organization in it. So I'm just going to show you what is, it looked outdoorsy to me. So this had some natural elements on it. I thought the color was natural, and I liked the braids on the side, and it kind of looked like a fishing tackle bag or something like that. So I am going to show you what's in it. If I keep it out of my paints, let me close that up so it doesn't get any phthalo on it. So here is my art bag, and in the front I carried some water brushes and a Yasan pigment microliner, and I've got these in the mail from the company and was asked to try them out and how good I thought they were. The jury's still out, but they're working okay. I'm liking them okay. And then I had a mini mister and a white signal pen, a couple of other microns, a 005, and a plastic nib. Oh, and there's something else in here too. Oh, an eraser and some chapstick, of course. So that is what was in the front. So I just put those back in there. I'm going to leave this bag the way it is because it is a handy bag to take out, and it has a shoulder strap. You can adjust the length of the strap however you need it, however long you need it. You can carry it over your shoulder or as a crossbody. I did it as a crossbody. It got a little heavy, but that was okay. It served my needs, and I could keep it with me the whole time. And I wanted everything I wanted. So let me show you what's inside. I had my Rosa Gallery. I believe this is the classic set. I used this the whole time. I used this for 2 workshops and the plein air convention. And I made some dents in some of the paints, but it was beautiful. And I was able to accomplish everything I wanted to accomplish. And these paints are so saturated that I didn't even, sometimes I could just do one layer. It was so saturated. So I love the indigo. I went through the green, the olive green most. Didn't do very much mixing on the phthalo greens. And then I had a water brush in here, and it fit nicely. So I used this. There was another lid that came down off of this, but I took it off just because it was so cumbersome. And there is plenty of mixing space. There's 4 large wells, and I was able to, mix up a wash and do what I needed to do just with these 4 wells. So that is, and for the back of my board, I put Velcro to hold it on my board. Let me get that and I'll show it to you. So this is my board. I just took a 1/4 piece of gator board and I cut it in half, and then I secured it with duct tape so I could fold it over, and when I fold it over, it lays flat on my lap. So then when I put the Velcro on the back of here, I could put that here, and there's my paintings, and it would stay securely on there. So I also had this little thing I got from the dollar store, and I used it for a little bit of water if I needed to, and then I set that over there. So that's pretty good, and it served me well. I had a little table that I would set this on because my lap is just tiny, and this would, my knees would only come to about right here, so it would fall if I didn't have something to set it on. So I had me a outdoor chair and a little outdoor table I got from REI, and it served me perfect. So then I had a couple in this. Let's go back to this. I had a couple different sketchbooks. I had a smaller one that I used for different elements that I had or seen, because there was a couple times when I just wasn't into practicing some other stuff, where I just wasn't into painting a landscape. So I would just mess around in this. This is the time when we went outside and we walked for 5 minutes and sketched for 5 minutes and painted for 5 minutes. So that was kind of cool. That was at Cheap Joe's, and she was a wonderful instructor, and we did some lettering and, you know, did some, oh, this was the first workshop, and I was just doing a thumbnail and taking some color notes. So that was pretty good. This is a thumbnail and some color notes. So that's pretty cool. It was fun. It was a fun workshop, especially with Leslie failing. It was really fun. And then I had this sketchbook, which is a bow hong, and I haven't filled it up much yet. I'm going to be taking it on another trip. I love this sketchbook. It is a wonderful sketchbook, and I haven't really done much in it. Actually, I haven't done anything in it because it's precious and I don't want to mess it up. So I might leave that one out and take that on a different trip. And then I had this little ruler. I got it, I think, at the dollar store or something, but it just gave me a straight edge. And then I had a pencil sharpener. I don't know why I had a pencil sharpener, because I had that mechanical pencil, or I thought I had a mechanical pencil. And then I took some Tombow or Arteza brush pens just to quickly get something down if I needed to in color. So I had them in there. I'm going to lay them over to the side. And then I had a couple of travel brush sets. This one is Princeton Neptune. It's one of my favorites because I love the Princeton Neptune series. And this one is the Joe Miller's Pseudo Sable, and I really love this too. This is a wonderful brush set, and it gives you a little bit more water control, where the Neptune, you know, you can do better washes on that. And that is it. Let me see if I got anything down here. Oh, back here I've got paper towel. I've got the Zebra fountain pen, and this is not waterproof. This is water soluble, so if I wanted to, you know, make a quick sketch, which I never did, but I wanted to be prepared with what I had, so, and then wash the lines out and make some shadows. And this is the Famui travel brush set, and it is a synthetic. It's a good one. Or no, I think these are, oh no, these are the gray matters. I just have them in a Famui case. I don't know where my case for the other one went, but I like the Famui. I might have been using them out here on my desk. So I think that's it. That's all I had in there. But this turned out to be a great plein air purse. I'd say go to different shops, you know, don't just look on Amazon. You know, I got this at Earthbound, and I found one at TJ Maxx that I go back and forth, you know, when I travel and I want to take more art supplies, and it's canvas too. So let me know what you think I forgot. I think I forgot a regular pencil. I might be able to get rid of this pencil sharpener if I take a mechanical pencil. So I could put just a regular mechanical pencil in there, which I think I will. And then I can't think of much else that I'm missing. I might just keep this sketchbook in here. One of the, I hate to put all of my brushes in here, but I could. I'm going to leave them out for now. And the Zebra pen, it's a fountain pen. It's pretty cool. You know, and it writes pretty good. But it is not waterproof. So in that case, I've got waterproof pens. I've got a white pen. And I've got my small sketchbook in here. And a little ruler. And my paints. On the board. I might downgrade to a smaller set of Rosa. There is a 12 set that I think might work a little bit better for me and keep it lighter. And then my paper towel. Might just stick that down in the front. And my little water container. This is just from the dollar store. It was magnetized, but, you know. So, there we go. There is what is in my bag. Oh yeah, that makes it much more manageable. So, I'm going to leave just that other sketchbook out for now. So, I hope you like. Let me know in the comments below if you think I need something else or something different. And, you know, let me know if you like this purse. It's just a purse. And I converted it into a plein air art bag. So, you know, think outside of the box, you know, and, you know, you don't need a big tote. And I was able to carry this crossbody and have my hands free for other things. So, talk to you later, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what videos you want to see next. Talk to you later. Bye.